Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Video 98, Lecture 36. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2. Today we will discuss stability of benzene, resonance energy of benzene, how to calculate means resonance energy of benzene, and method of formation of benzene. Benzene is unusual stable because of low heats of hydrogenation and combustion. Heat of hydrogenation is the quantity of heat evolved when 1 mole of an unsaturated compound is hydrogenated. See here, cyclohexene, 1 mole of hydrogen. When it is hydrogenated, it will evolve 28.6 kilocalorie per mole. Cyclohexadiene, 2 moles of hydrogen, it will liberate 57.2 kilocalorie per mole. So cyclohexatriene on hydrogenation with 3 moles, it will again form cyclohexane and expected energy will be 85.8 kilocalorie per mole. But benzene, which it contains 3 double bond and on hydrogenation of 3 moles of hydrogen, it will also form cyclohexane, but it will liberate 49.8 kilocalorie per mole energy practically. So there is large difference between the hydrogenation energy expected and practical value. So resonance energy is the difference between the expected and practical value, that is 36 kilocalorie per mole. So it is called resonance energy of benzene. Methods of formation. Benzene methods of formation. Industrial method. It is largely available in nature. Benzene is obtained from light oil or crude naphtha. It is an industrial method. Boiling point is in crude naphtha. Light oil fraction is boiling point range is 80 to 170 degree centigrade, and it contain about 60 to 65% benzene. Crude benzene is treated with concentrate sulfuric acid, which removes the bees, impurities, and also most of the thiophene. It is then washed with NaOH to remove acidic substances like phenol and excess of sulfuric acid. The oil is washed with water and subjected to fractional distillation. So light oil fraction is 82 fraction 82,110. It contain 90% of benzol, and in that benzol 60 to 70% is benzene, 24% is toluene, and some of xylene. Then 110 to 140 degree fraction, it contain 90% toluene. It is contain 50% benzol, and means it contain 46% benzene, toluene plus xylenes. Then next fraction 140 to 170 degree, it is solvent naphtha, mainly xylenes and cumene. It contain 170, it is a heavy naphtha. So it is benzene fraction which was collected is again redistilled, and it is tested with acetylene in concentrated sulfuric acid. When no color, it is called indophenine test. So it contain only benzene. So benzene is industrially obtained from the light oil fraction or crude naphtha fraction. From petroleum industry, hydroforming or catalytic reforming, from normal hexane, when it is treated with chromium oxide at 480 to 550 degrees centigrade temperature, it will form benzene. From aromatic acids, sodium benzoate, when it is treated with lime, soda lime, it will form benzene and sodium carbonate. Disodium phthalate, it will sodium hydroxide, when it is treated with sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide, it will form, means it is a soda lime, it will form benzene and sodium carbonate. From phenol, when phenol is treated with zinc dust at a higher temperature, it will give benzene plus zinc oxide. From benzene sulfonic acid, water, it will at 150 to 200 degrees centigrade temperature, benzene and sulfuric acid, it will give sulfuric acid. From benzene diazonium chloride, ethanol, when it is diazonium salt is reacted with hydrogen, it will give benzene nitrogen plus HCl. From acetylene, it is called Berthelot method. 3 moles of acetylene, when it is passed in on a red hot iron tube at higher temperature, it will give benzene. Physical properties. Benzene is a colorless liquid with characteristic odor. Melting point is 5.5 degrees centigrade. Boiling point is 80 degrees centigrade. Highly inflammable and burns with a smoky flame. It is insoluble in water and lighter than water. Specific gravity is 0.88. It is lighter than water. Highly soluble in alcohol, ether and normal hexane. It is good solvent for fats, resins, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine, etc. So these are the physical properties of benzene. In next lecture, we will see the chemical properties of benzene. So thank you very much for today's lecture.